Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get how to become a certified ransomware protection officer. This is for the CRPO and provider is the ICTTF, that is the International Cyber Threat Task Force. So this is the free certification for the CRPO. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to get a 100% free certified ransomware protection officer CRPO and secure your business against the ransomware attacks with the Certified Ransomware Protection Officer CRPO training from ICTTF. This is the online course teaches you how to ransomware works, how the attackers deliver it, real world case studies, detection and response strategies, employee awareness, cyber hygiene and mitigation resource all at your own place. It's designed for the anyone who wants to prevent, identify, and respond effectively to ransomware threats with expert guidance and practical insight, and it's free to join. So, what you will learn on this course? So, ransomware delivery channel and attack mechanism, evolution of ransomware and cybercrime techniques, dark web, crypto, and ransomware as a service. So, RaaS, triple exploration, high impact case study, detection, mitigation, response strategies, and cyber hygiene and employee awareness tips. So total course detail is there: 90-day online access, 4 to 5 hours to self-paced learning, online exam and certification included, suitable for the professional and beginner alike. So enroll now and boost your cyber defense skills. So this is the URL. Open this URL. When you will open this URL, you will get this page. There is a sign up option, sign in option, and certified ransomware protection officer is there. Introduced to certified, and click here to register. So when you will click, you will get a pop up, and there is a two option: create account, and you can log in with this. So if you go through the create account, then you have to provide your name, email address, password, phone number, address, country, company name, website, job role, and where did you hear about us? Or if you are already check these boxes and create that. If you already register yourself, then you can directly go to the login. So click here to login, put your email address and password. So I have logged in. So now you can click here to continue. So complete all the course. There is a CRPO course overview, understanding cyber threat action, and various sector, and multiple things are there. So if you go to the last, there is option CRPO certification exam. When you click this one, I have already passed this exam. You have to submit your question. There is a 50 questions is there, and passing score. And when you will submit, you will get a certificate. Just click on the download certificate. After completing this, you will get a certificate of view of this. This is a certified CRPO. This certificate is awarded to your name will be there and other details will be there. So date of issue, and this is the certificate. So you will become a certified CRPO certification through this course. So go through the step by step process to getting the 100% free certified ransomware protection officer. And disclaimer is there: all trademarks, logo, names belong to their respective owner. This video made only for the educational and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. So subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.